Everyone is frozen solid on the edge of their seats today, guys, waiting and stuck, frozen, just looking at the current crypto atmosphere, trying to figure out what is going on. So we're going to dive right into the depths of this. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. Because today we do have Bitcoin at around 87,000, okay? Now this went up to 89,000 earlier. And you know what we have on the long-term chart is still Bitcoin holding its upper bull market support levels over here. So everyone's bearish, expecting this to go down. But until it breaks this 80K level here, it's not going to go into, you know, a long-term bear trend. This is still only a short-term bear trend. So we're going to see now, because everything depends on this. If this flips now and goes back up, the market turns bullish. If we look at the rest of the market, the non-crypto assets like the stocks, they're up today. Basically, they're all in the green except from the Dow Jones. The top US indexes are up. The dollar is going down, which is good news for crypto and other risk assets, okay, like Bitcoin, you know, and like tech stocks and so forth usually. And we have gold at all-time highs, okay, so exploding back up here, just like we warned you early in advance. And silver is doing exactly what we warned about. It took much longer than we thought. We thought it was going to happen ages ago, but now it's finally happening. So we were so early. But the silver has just exploded and broken $70, okay? So the Federal Reserve's bond buying program of buying 40 billions of bonds each week that they recently announced, guys, has brought back the official quantitative easing policy stance, where they're calling it QE, not QE. Now let's jump into the coins and the crypto, which is why the juiciness that you guys came for. Basically, Bitcoin's around just 2%, minus 2% today. But if we check the 24-hour gainers, nothing is really up other than just this one coin called Pippin. I have never even heard of this. This might be brand new, out of thin air, right? And I don't know exactly what this is, but it looks like some kind of meme from first glance. It says that Pippin is an SVG unicorn drawn using the latest LLM benchmarks on ChatGPT 4.0. So it is an autonomous AI agent on X. Okay, that makes sense then. So this is in the AI agent and artificial intelligence trend and narratives. This might be something to look out for as coming up. We're not going to be doing too much deep research into altcoins until we know the next direction of the market soon. It involves automation, AI agents, and open source projects. So this is all very interesting, right? And it seems like CoinMarketCap has put it into the memes and Solana ecosystem trends categories, Binance Alpha and Pump Fund ecosystems categories, not necessarily AI. So it seems to be potentially more of a meme here. The privacy coins are all pretty much flat at the moment. However, Monero recently got as high as over $450. So that's pretty bullish. You know, the AI coins such as BitTensor are again also just looking flat and doing nothing here. Still waiting for the market to move. There is still $118 billion locked in DeFi. That isn't dipping too low or going any lower than that, which is an encouraging sign to see that liquidity is not draining out of DeFi right now. We have EdgeX that overtook Hyperliquid, guys, in the amount of fees and revenue generated on their PerpDex blockchain over Hyperliquid and Tron and Solana now, and even the BNB chain, overtaking them all. This chain generated $1.1 million per day of real revenue or real yield liquidity. It's insane, crazy. So we have to watch very closely, like a hawk, the next steps and things that are going to happen, guys. In January, we're getting lots of market moving US data, including jobs data, CPI inflation, further CPI inflation reports after the US government shutdown, where we had a lack of data. So we didn't know which direction the market is going to move. We should get some firm direction coming up here in January. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for your amazing support, and we will see you all in the next videos.